Leonid IgoInik, and here at Taleo I'm responsible for the engineering of our SMB product line. My responsibilities include software engineering, quality assurance, and product operations. Taleo is one of the largest software as a service vendors in the world today. We provide talent management applications to over 4,000 customers. Taleo Business Edition application processes about 5 to 6 million transactions a day with an average response time sub 500 milliseconds, which is part of our SLA. A lot of those transactions are applicants trying to review career websites and applying for the jobs, and obviously when our companies are hiring, it's very important for them to attract the right talent and make sure the systems is available to them. Some of the challenges we're facing as the product line as well as the engineering organization are around the growth rate. Over the last 3 years I've been here with the company and with the product, we have grown from about 790 customers to over 4,000 customers, and with this growth rate we have to make sure that we can continue serving our customers and deliver the quality of service that is expected of us. Maintaining the application performance and continuing to scale the application is obviously one of the areas we always look at seriously. So if you're running a large-scale Java applications with multiple components, multiple tiers, frequent release cycles, and things like being able to troubleshoot problems quickly are important to you, I think this tool is great. You know, being a software as a service play, we always have to support our support team, and when escalations come in, it's important for me to be able to look at the problems they're reporting and quickly get to the root cause so we can fix the software, put the patch back into a production environment. So one of the interesting results that we've seen so far after deploying the product was ability to respond to escalations quicker. I'll give you an example. A few weeks back, one of our key partners in our ecosystem, which is an extremely important part of our business, has escalated API performance issue to us, and using AppDynamics, we were able to take the escalation on Tuesday, look at the metrics, identify the root cause on Wednesday, and have the patch on production on Thursday. And for me to roll into the office Friday morning, look at my tool, and confirm that the problem was actually solved before I get on the phone call with the partner was absolutely awesome. So I think what we found interesting is different teams that work for me found different uses for the product and see different value in them. For example, the operations team enjoys the metrics browser and some of the capabilities of collecting custom metrics and overlaying them on top of the standard metrics the tool already collects. Things like CPU versus business transactions, number of logged in users versus memory. And those are all important to us because we're a big volume operation and we can use those for capacity planning and troubleshooting. On the other hand, the software engineering team likes the fact that we get actionable intelligence out of the tool using the request snapshots, and we can look at a particular business transactions that may not be performing well and very quickly understand where the time is lost, whether it's SQL, whether it's a Java code. You know, it's the dream that you always have as a software engineer of running your profiler on production application without degrading the performance 50% like a typical profiling tool would do for you. You know, as a large-scale software as a service vendor, we have been collecting a lot of the metrics for a while now. We have logs, we have custom tools where we build around our products to look at them. What we really liked about AppDynamics is it's a tool that brings all of those metrics into one place and allows us to look at them and try to make a sense out of the madness of gigabytes and gigabytes of logs that our systems produce every day.